Sous vide is a method of slowly and gently cooking foods in a temperature-controlled water bath for the most even and precise results. Because the water temperature is set to the target temperature of the food, there is never any danger of overcooking. You get perfect results every time. Along with your smart cooker, you only need a few things to sous vide: zip-top freezer bags or vacuum bags and a sealer. You'll find the sous vide function on the smart cooker under More. Once there, select your desired cooking time and temperature. Add at least 12 cups of water to the cooking pot. Close and lock the lid. Then set the regulator knob to venting. Get your food ready while the water heats up. Season your food to taste. Put the food and any aromatics into the bag in a single layer. You may need to use multiple bags to ensure the food can be completely submerged. Add a small amount of oil or butter to each bag and gently rub to evenly distribute. Once the preheat is complete, it's time to add your food. If using a vacuum sealer, follow the manufacturer's directions for sealing the bag. For zip-top bags, slowly lower the open bag into the pot. As you lower the bag into the water will press out the air. Once your food is fully submerged, simply seal the bag. Close and lock the lid. Set the knob to venting. Start cooking and let the water bath work its magic. When the time is done, remove the bags. From here, you'll want to sear most things to add texture and caramelization. If searing later, cool the food in its bag in an ice bath, then refrigerate. Let it come to room temperature before searing. Let the food rest at room temperature in the bag for at least 5 minutes. Then, remove the food and pat dry completely. To sear in the smart cooker, dump out the sous vide water and dry the pot. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and set the smart cooker to sear. When the oil is hot, add the food and cook briefly to brown it on the outside while keeping it perfectly cooked inside. Remove and serve immediately. Cooking sous vide means no longer worrying about whether your steak, chicken, or fish is undercooked or overcooked. With your smart cooker, you'll have perfect and consistent results guaranteed.